Hi, my name is Sean. I'm a pinsetter mechanic. I'm certified to work on Brunswick A, A2, and jetback pinsetters. Today, we're going to be doing adjustment 19, the scissor cable adjustment. Let's see. I'm going to read through this real quick and see how close it is to the way that I do it versus what the book says. It's fairly close, but I'll tell you right now, there's a really easy way to check if your scissors are good. First thing, pinsetter needs to be at 0, shut off power, and I'll show you. We're gonna check these real quick. So if you hear it and they're not like slappy, like you don't have to pull it a lot to hear it, then you should be good. So mine are adjusted correctly, but in case yours aren't, you have your two jam nuts on your turnbuckle here, right? And first off, this is not how I would do it. I would run the top or bottom all the way in, and then that way you only have to worry about adjusting one side as opposed to both sides. But you go ahead and you loosen your jam nuts and you just turn your turnbuckle until you hear. Once you hear that, you're golden. How the book tells you is to tighten it until the 1-pin scissors are firmly against the rubber stops. And then they say all the rest of them might not touch, which is okay as long as they don't interfere with the new setting, like setting new pins process. That's good and well, but from up here it's kind of a pain in the ass to see down there. So why don't you just loosen jam nuts, tighten or loosen as necessary. Like if you're hearing a lot of clacking, you need to tighten it. If it's like everything is super tight and you can't hear anything, you need to loosen it just a little bit. But yeah, kind of the same according to the book, but I find my way easier, which is typical because it's my way. Yeah, I'm gonna say that's the end. And the adjustment, super simple one. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'm more than happy to answer them. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.